Good morning everybody, this is Mustafa Driving School. This is another video from Enfield side, Bosmore Lane, and we're turning left here. That's a test route. So we're going left here. So we check our center mirror, left mirror signal, left position ourselves to the left hand side, and we look to the right. If it's safe, we can go. Thank you. Right, okay. So now here, where is the McDonald's is, if the examiner asks you to turn right, so stay in the right lane, and you got 4 lanes, so you stay on a lane 3 but you're signaling a right hand side. So where the lane says straight and a right, we stay in that lane behind that white van, behind the white van, big white van. There you go. So we're gonna signal right here. That's it. Brilliant. Okay, so you got 4 lanes. The left goes left only. The straight is straight ahead. That's the left there, that side. And then this is straight ahead, and this is ahead and a right. And the very far right is right only. So the reason we stay in here, because they're gonna take you at the roundabout second exit straight ahead. But if you stay in the right lane, it's difficult to come back to the left lane. If you stay in this lane, it's really easy. So you go forward, because this 2 lane is going both of them right. So as soon as you pass the traffic light, you're gonna stay all the way to the left lane, because it's a spiral roundabout. At the roundabout, we're gonna take in the second exit straight ahead. So now we're staying perfectly tire and tarmac. We can see the van's tire, we can see the floor. As soon as the light change, we don't steer. We go forward completely, then we're gonna turn to the right hand side, because we don't wanna hit this car. We continue going, keep going all the way forward. Now we're gonna turn that side towards the left side, all the way to the left side. There you go, perfect. And then we're gonna cancel the signal and slow down, big time slow down here. Nice. Okay. So now at the roundabout, we're gonna go second exit straight ahead. So we don't need to signal here, because we're going second exit. We just follow our lane straight on. The first exit would be M25 towards Watford Heathrow Airport. Second exit is take you towards Cheshunt, Waltham Cross and Coffley. So we stay in our lane. This roundabout called a spiral roundabout, M25 roundabout, and everyone stay on their line. The reason is spiral roundabout, because everyone stay on their own lane, and it's big roundabout here. So we continue going, and we're not signaling straight ahead, and the roundabout control with the traffic light. We just follow our lane all the way to the left hand side. Beautiful. Stay where we are, and we're gonna go on top of the bridge like that. Beautiful. And stay, keep going. Beautiful. And stay in our left hand side and continue. More acceleration here, more acceleration, and then continue. Keep going, accelerate. There you go, perfect. There you go. Okay, so now we can see the speed is 50 miles an hour. We check our mirrors, and then we can accelerate now. 50 miles an hour. Accelerate 50 miles an hour. There you go. No more than 50, which is 50, perfect. There you go. And we're going to change our line to the right when it's safe to do so. Okay. The reason I change our line, because we are cancelling signal now. We're going to take the third exit to the right hand side. Nice. So here we check our mirrors, we stay to the right hand side. We're going to do our mirrors signal right, and we're going to slow down, not more than 15 here. All the way to the right hand side, all the way to the right hand side, and we're going to take exit number 3 to the right hand side, and we look for opportunity when it's safe. Look, we're holding the steering straight, and when it's safe we can go 1, 2, 3. We can go now. That's it, faster. Beautiful. So this is exit number 1, Coffley. Continue, we're keeping the speed up. There you go, 22, 23 is good. And then this is the second exit. So now we check our center mirror, left mirror signal left, all the way to the left, as much as we can. Come to the left hand side, all the way to the left hand side. Beautiful. And then we can continue going. That's it. And the speed has changed to 40 now. So now a lot of people fail the test here, because the speed is 40, and downhill the car is going to pick up the speed, so we make sure our speed is not going over 40. Right, so now the next roundabout we're gonna taking the third exit to the right. So what we need to do, change our line to the right now. One is safe, one is safe. Okay, perfect. Okay, so now we're gonna cancel the signal. Right, in this roundabout we can stay in the middle as well as we're going right, but we can stay into the middle side. So mirror signal right here and slow speed, kill the speed big time. Exit number 3. So continue now, control the traffic light. This is exit number 1. We stay to the left side, we stay to the left side. Then this is second, we mirror signal left and nice and slow, and then continue. Now the speed is 30 and the light is changed red as well, and just stop here now. Thank you very much. Good. And that was a short video about Enfield test route. That was a tricky part of Enfield test route. Thank you guys. I'll have a lovely day.